Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is at Crypto and Mining Updates 2025. So on today's video, I'll be showing you how to spot trade on Binance. So it's very simple. So if you want to spot trade in Binance, first thing first, you must have your account verified. So head on to your account and make sure it's verified. So after verifying your account, this means that now you have unlimited deposit and withdrawals of crypto. So okay, verified your account. The other thing, you must also have some funds in your account. You must have some funds in your account. So head on to overview there, then click on assets, then check if you have some assets in your account. So let's wait for mine to load. So okay, after verifying, now you have some assets in your account, you can now proceed to spot trading, and it's very simple. Just come and click this small option for trading, then come and click on spot trading here. So click on spot trading, then wait for it to load. Then this page of course will appear on your side. Now here's where we are going to place our trade. So it depends on the pair you want to trade. So if you want to pair another pair, just come and search on here. You can see this option here. Come and search for the pair you want there. So for my case, I want to trade world against USDT. So when you click on it, automatically the pair is going to appear there, and you're going to have the graph, the order books on the side, the market trades, the time frames, and all of that. Now of course we have opened the world and USDT pair. Now we want to buy and sell. How do we go about that? So it's very simple. So let's begin with the option for buying. So you want to buy the coin. You have done your analysis. You have seen that now is the best time you want to hop in on the coin and hold it. So for that, you're going to have to buy the coin. So scroll down to where you can see this tab for buying. So in this tab for buying, you can see here we have the option for limit, we have the option for market and stop limit. So limit, it means that, so let's say if you want to buy this coin at a certain limit. So let's say you want to buy it when it reaches 1.075 USDT. So that is what limit means. So this means that when you come and impute, you just increase this limit to 1.75. So let's say you want to buy it when it reaches 1.075. You just increase that limit, then you come and impute the amount you want to buy. Let's say if you want to buy 10 world at this limit, then it's going to tell you the total of USDT it's going to need. Then below here it's going to tell you the available amount of USDT you have, the maximum buy, the estimated fee of course. Then you can now proceed to buy the coin. So that's for the limit. Limit means you have to set a limit on which you want to buy that coin. So this is the side for buying. So we have also the option for market. So market, it means you want to buy this coin at the current price that it's running on the market. Let's say for this coin of ours, Worldcoin, it's currently trading at 1.0706. So that means that is the market price of the coin. So you can only buy it at that price. Now here we don't have the option for limiting. So that means that when you just impute the amount you want to buy, let's say you want to buy 10, it will automatically buy according to the price it's on the market. So it's going to tell you, of course, when you impute you want to buy world worth 10 USDT, you impute the amount of 10 USDT there. Then it's going to tell you the available of funds you have in your wallet, of course, and it's going to tell you the maximum buy, the estimated fee. Then you can proceed to buy. So that's with the market price. That's the market limit. I hope you've gotten the difference between the limit, of which when you want to buy with the limit, it's you want to buy the coin at a specific limit that you're going to choose. But if you select market, it means you're buying the coin at the current market price. So that's the option for buying. Now let's head on to the option for selling. So the option for selling, it's more similar, the same, because you can see we also have the limit. So this means that the limit, of course, it means that you're going to set the limit on which you want to sell your coin. It can either be Worldcoin, BTC, Ethereum, Solana, any coin. So let's say you want to sell it when it reaches when it's around 2. So you can just increase the limit to the amount you want. So basically that's what I mean. Let's say you want to sell at 1.12 and right now the current price is 1.07 and you are sure that this coin will reach this limit. So you just impute the limit on which you want to sell the coin with. Then you impute the amount. Of course, you know the amount you have in your wallet that you have bought. Then it's going to tell you the total USDT is going to bring to your account. Then you can proceed to sell now. So this is the limit. You want to sell with the limit of your choice, but you have the option from market. So when you select the option for market, this means that you're going to sell the coin at the market price. So let's say right now the coin is trading at 1.06. So this is the market sale price. So this means that if you want to sell 10 world coin at that price, automatically it's going to do that trade for you with the market price. So in this case, we don't have the option for limiting. And basically that's how you buy and sell. You just have to make sure you know the limit, difference between the limit, the market, and the stop limit. So the stop limit is now where you impute the price on which the coin hits, it will sell automatically. So that's the stop limit. So basically when that coin reaches the limit that you set here, let's say if you want to stop the trade at around 1.10 USDT, you just impute the amount there. It will tell you the amount you'll get, the minimum and all that. Then at that limit, that your coin is going to buy or sell at that limit. And basically that's all you need to know about spot trading. And so yeah, it's that simple. So if you have some funds and you want to begin spot trading, just head on to the spot section, head on to the market, then head on to the, if you want to buy, come to buy section here. If you want to buy the coin, then impute the amount or you want to buy. So it depends. If you want to buy it to the market price, just impute, click on market price here. If you want to buy it at a certain limit that you know, just switch on to limit. And that's how you hop into the coin. And if the coin reaches the maximum prediction that you had predicted, let's say you've drawn a graph here and the coin had hit your profit margin, then you can just come and sell it here. You can option now to sell with the market price, or you instead impute another stop limit. And basically that's it. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more crypto and mining updates.